Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you'd like to finally face the pains or the issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want to, how about if we see if we can work together and help unlock the next big thing in your life? Head over to ldlcall.com and find the perfect time slot for you, and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Can you remember who you were before the world told you who you should be? You had a dream at least once, didn't you? You know what you wanted to do when you were younger. So what happened? Did you give up? Did you forget what you were meant to be doing? Forget what others have done by putting doubt in your head and just go and chase your dream. Remember who you are and what made you happy before the world told you you couldn't be.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.